friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I really hope you all are doing great, and I wish each and everyone, those who are celebrating Ramadan this month, wish you all a very joyful and a blessed Ramadan. And today's recipe, when we say Ramadan, should definitely start with a samosa, right? Like last year, also I had started the Ramadan recipe with a samosa's recipe. But then this time, why is it going to be different? Because the stuffing is going to be totally different than the normal samosas what you usually have, and that is going to be chicken chili samosa. Doesn't that sound interesting and great? Only sound interesting, but then they taste super delicious too. So make your Ramadan special with these special samosas. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. As always said, ingredients are given at the description box below. Please do check it out from there, and also check the extra notes given there. And I just wanted to capture a glimpse of my chicken pieces, like the size of the pieces. I just wanted to show you guys that they are very bit size small pieces from the chicken breast. Here I have washed and drained well, and here are the sides. You can see the ingredients what I have added to boil these chicken. They are also given at the description box, so recheck the ingredients from there too. And here, let me now show you the ingredients what we need to make the super delicious chicken chili. And here I have cooked 500 grams of chicken breast as shown before, and they are cooked and dried also. I mean, there should be no trace of water left in that. And these are around 5 large onions, thickly chopped. I mean, when I chopped the onions, I made sure they were thick. And these are the bell peppers, 3 very small size bell peppers I have taken. If you do not have color ones, you can always take green, large too. And these are 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, and 3 green chilies. Chilies can be added according to your taste. And this is around 1 tablespoon of red chili paste. If you have green, you can add them also. And this is dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon plus 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And here I have taken my favorite 4 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can reduce the quantity if you feel that's too much. And here this is around 3 tablespoon of oil and half cup of coriander leaves, as I love to add that Indian wala touch to the chili. And salt will be very little, as soy sauce already has salt in it, and color will be optional if you want to make it red, nice red chilies, I mean chicken chilies. And here I have kept the wok on high flame, as the Chinese is always cooked on high flame. Once the oil was hot, I added the onion, sauteed for just 2 minutes, and added the ginger garlic and the green chili chopped, and tossed again for 30 seconds, and adding the colorful bell peppers, and tossed only for 1 minute. I really didn't want that bell peppers to be soggy. Now add the sauces to this, that is vinegar, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and the chili sauce. You can again stir them well on high flame, and then now you'll have to add the boiled chicken to this. And here you give a good mix. Make sure it's coated well, and then finally you add the red color. Red color can be added optional. I mean, it's optional totally depending on your choice. And lastly, you add the coriander leaves, and here the chicken chili is ready. I mean, the chicken chili filling for our yummy samosas are ready now. And here I have used Swiss brand. You can take any brand of your choice. And this is egg white. I usually use egg white for gluing. And then this is the chili, the filling. I already had made some samosas in advance, but to show you guys, I'm sure you all must be an expert in making the samosas or folding them, but then I wanted to show you how I make them. And this is just fast forwarded, but then no worries, I'll even show you more in detail. And I always prefer using egg white than the flour batter, because I feel this is more it just works like a glue. And here, this is the way how I fold. Just at the end, just make sure the sides are sharp and pointed, not open, so that the fillings come out. And here I'll again be showing you to make these samosas. See, these are ready. These many were ready now. And then again, fold. Just open this, and then you'll have to fill the filling, but make sure you don't add more than 2 teaspoons of filling, because when it's more, you can see that the filling just oozes out in the oil when you fry. And then I love it this way. And here you glue them with the egg white, fold again, and then give that perfect finish. And here this is your perfect triangle samosas ready to be freezed or to be fried, or throughout the Ramadan you can just keep it in the freezer for a month also, it will work good. Now let me just fry them and show you some how yummy and delicious it looks. And once I have kept the oil for deep frying as much as required, and here I have dropped my samosas. Make sure the flame is on medium only, not too slow and not too high. And I always fry them only till golden brown. I really don't like them fried a lot, which makes it look very brown in color. And here are my super delicious chicken chili samosas ready for Iftar. How about yours now? So make sure you make them, and let me show you just if in case you have any doubt that the egg white wouldn't work well in making them stick. And you can see these samosas, they are perfectly triangle still. And then just look at the color of the chicken chili stuffing. They look yummy, isn't it? And then they look gorgeous too, and they tasted super delicious. I really want you guys to make this at home and try, and do let me know in the comments below if you really like this recipe or not, and I'm sure you all will love it. So do try it, guys. And coming to my extra points, you can also use this chicken chili filling in making some spring rolls. They also taste super delicious. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I'd really love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salva's Delicious Kitchen. And I really hope you all have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye.